the Governor of the Bank of Mauritius, Dr. Ramakrishna Sitanen, GCSK, Chairperson of ABC Banking Corporation, Mrs. Afun Chuyuchong, the Executive Director, Professor Donald Atren, GOSK, fellow directors of ABC Banking, directors of the ABC Group, members of the press, dear partners, colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, good evening, or good afternoon if the sun is still around. It is truly a pleasure and an honor to welcome you all today at ABC Banking's headquarters, more specifically on our rooftop venue. And we are grateful for this beautiful weather. I would like to begin by congratulating Dr. Sitanen on his recent appointment as Governor of the Central Bank. We sincerely appreciate you taking the time out of your undoubtedly busy schedule to be with us. Today's gathering is not just about the launching of ABC Banking's MasterCard Platinum Credit Card, but also about celebrating the incredible journey of our bank. In just 11 days' time, we will be celebrating 14 years of existence as a bank. And it's been indeed an incredible journey where we've seen a steady and consistent growth during that time. Since its creation, our bank has increased its deposit base more than tenfold. Total assets have grown from a modest 2.7 billion to 26.4 billion rupees as at 30th June 2024. And during that year, we have seen our gross interest income surpass the 1 billion rupee mark for the first time in its history. Needless to say, we are grateful to our clients who have put their trust in us over all these years, and also to our dear colleagues who have accompanied us on this journey and work diligently to ensure this growth is sustained year on year. As most of you know, we are now entering into a new phase of growth with the implementation of our new group structure, ABCB Holdings, that will oversee both our banking and non-banking activities. ABC Banking is taking bold steps toward further innovation, and this new holding structure will create a more efficient group to support the bank's development. This evolution, marked also by the future listing of ABCB Holdings on the main board of the Stock Exchange of Mauritius, will expand capital raising options and strengthen our growth. With a strong financial foundation, we are optimistic on the road ahead. Today's credit card launch, along with its innovative loyalty platform, is living proof of our goal to achieve customer convenience, which is one of the pillars of our Count on Us strategy. Indeed, the road ahead looks bright, and we're looking forward to continuing this amazing journey with all of you. With these words, I thank you for your attention. It is now my pleasure to invite the Governor of the Bank of Mauritius, Dr. Ramakrishna Sitanen, to say a few words to us and to share his thoughts in his new role.
Good afternoon, everybody. The chairperson of the bank, the managing director of the bank, Mr. Executive Directors, my good friend, Professor Donald Atren, whom I've known, for a very, very long time, and distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. When I was invited, I told myself, this is going to be my first sortie en public. Internationally, I had one yesterday because the governor of the Bank of Mauritius is this year the governor of the Association of African Bankers. And there was a meeting in Casablanca, and I told them I could not come, and I make an intervention digitally. So I'm not going to speak about monetary policy, about the rupee, about interest rate, or about the MIC, because I'm still doing my homework. And I will act as a professional until I get all the facts and figures, and consulting all the stakeholders. Obviously, I will not going to make any announcement. Let me congratulate the ABC Bank for its amazing journey, as just mentioned by the Managing Director, and how quickly you have become part of the financial and banking landscape. Often I tell people there are many unsung heroes in this sector that don't capture the headline every day, and yet they play a vital role in financial intermediation and providing credit and other facilities to businesses, to corporates, and to retail clients. So, great congratulations, to the bank. I must also salute the contribution of the Acheng family. We started very modestly and have grown into a significant, I don't know what I can call you, conglomerate. You're talking of having a holding with different subsidiaries, and you have a very important presence in the economic landscape of our country in many sectors. You're also playing a pivotal role in bridging Asia to Africa, especially flows from China into Africa, in order to support our Mauritius International Financial Center. So thank you for that. I still remember, when I was Minister of Finance the first time in 1991, we used to travel to Hong Kong and China, to attract investors to our part of the world. And the Acheng family was always supportive of promoting Mauritius as a bridge between China and Hong Kong and Africa using Mauritius. I'm also very glad that you're using technology as a driver of change and as a driver of efficiency. And let me share with you, I think, some of the challenges that we're going to face in the banking sector and in the financial services sector. The first one, I think, is disruptive technology. What I call technology for good. This is for those of you who watch the program on CNN. They have a feature with a smart lady from Hong Kong, and she hosts it, and it's called Technology for Good. And I think this is what technology should be about. I think we still have significant progress to make in order to embrace technology for good. And what I mean, embrace technology for good, technology to enhance efficiency, technology for inclusion, and technology for efficiency. But more importantly, technology to serve people. And I think this is extremely important. Technology comes with its own risk. But I think in the banking sector, in the financial services sector, I think it's very important to embrace technology and to make sure that we use it not only for you, but also for your clients and for the people at large. And the second challenge is linked to technology. It's talent. We have a declining population and an aging population. And before assuming office as governor of the bank, I was the chairman and director of the largest group of global business companies in Mauritius. And we know how difficult it is to attract talent, to reward talent, and to retain talent. And this is true also in the banking sector. So here also I think we need the good combination of technology and talent in order to grow and in order to expand and in order to leverage basically Mauritius as an international financial center. The third issue is sustainability. I'm still learning we have at the central bank. And we have a sustainability agenda at the Bank of Mauritius. And sustainability is extremely important, and this needs to be incorporated in our strategy, not only at the central bank, but also for each bank. How you fund projects in the renewable energy space, how you fund projects, that is going to contribute to lowering the share of fossil fuel in our economy. I think sustainability is extremely important, and I look forward to working, with all the banking sector on this issue of sustainability and technology. Last but not least, I don't know whether this is thought provocation or I'm being provocative, is the future of money, the future of banking. It's very clear to me that in 25 years, banking and money, if money exists, will be totally different from what it is today. Whether it's digital, whether it's blockchain technology, whether it's the use of digital asset, and there are many of these disruptive technologies that is going to pose a challenge for us. So what will happen to money? In some countries in the north, people hardly use money. Those of you who go to China, if you pay them with cash, they think you have an alien coming from a planet that they don't understand. So I think not only in terms of payment, but also in terms of settlement. What we know today will not exist in the near future. So I think we have to prepare ourselves, in terms of what is the future of banking, what is the future of money, and how we can work together, as a country to anticipate these challenges and to make sure that Mauritius remain competitive and at the cutting edge of what is happening elsewhere, so that we remain competitive, we remain efficient, and we grow the economy. So with these few words, I again wish I see infinity rewards and infinity opportunities. And I was telling my good friend, the managing director, one of the advantages, one of the few advantages you have when you are abroad, you have a friend who wants to go into the lounge. I just remove my card and I get him into the lounge. So I told him, you owe me $40, So thank you very much, and I wish you the best, in the launch of this new product. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Governor, for your insights on the challenges ahead. I think they're all very real, and also your kind words on the bank and on the family. Ladies and gentlemen, let me now turn your attention to the exciting offering that brings us all together today. The MasterCard Platinum Credit Card with its brand new Infinity Rewards program. This launch is a testament to our commitment to delivering premium, innovative, and customer-centric solutions. This bundle product is not just a credit facility. It is a gateway to a world of exclusive privileges, including lounge access, and rewards. So, ladies and gentlemen, I present to you ABC Banking's new MasterCard Platinum Credit Card.
Got this now. Enjoy.